Hello everyone, this side is Akshay Gupta. As you already know, this is the day 6 of the RRB PO and the Clerk examination preparation journey. First of all, I will tell in this video whatever I've done in today for my upcoming examination which I have pursued for the RRB PO or Clerk. Uh, okay, then let's begin this video. Firstly, what I have done today, which is the first checklist of this English PYQ series of the DISA publication I have completed, and what I have scored the marks. I have scored the 40 out of 24 marks, in which I have mistake some very much a huge mistake regarding the English subject, and eventually I have got the 40 plus 20 40 out of 24 marks, in which I seriously sure that in the DISA publication there are the many error based questions which were included in the DISA publication book, which I have to be corrected with the help of the Gemini book, Gemini AI, not a book. Okay, and secondary things which I have done today, which is the editorial sessions, and which I have corrected almost all the 3 out of 5 the editorial sessions, and the alternative basis the skimming article and other things also. And eventually I am to be very honest with with my preparation that I didn't do anything extra, and I also included the 30 out of 40 vocabulary book, and I have completed a 900 vocab of the most 1000 editorial session words, and 1000 words, 100 words were to be the left, which I have completed within the 3 days, and my whole 1000 word session will be the completed of the editorial session, which were included in the last page of the vocabulary book by the Nimisha Bansal. And eventually what I did, and something extra which I have not did today, because of the some specific reasons, in which I didn't solve the mathematics and the reasoning part today. But apart from this, what I have done, which is very much crucial for me and for you also, for the upcoming generations of as per the Gen Z according, the financial planning. Why I invested my time to learning of the skills of the financial strategy videos through my diary of the SBI, which were given my uncle. Eventually I had list out the investment strategy sources, and what I have don't do this mistake while the investment, and something what I have my own hobbies regarding the everything all I have mentioned in this diary particularly. So these are the main things which I have included apart from the subject or the preparation journey, and I am very much happy that I have invested my time to build the financial knowledge or something extra, to gain my listening or the creative skills, including the YouTube videos also. I generally know there are the no views on my channel, and I totally satisfied with them, because I don't want to gain the views. I want to record my videos for my own self to present the English language in front of the interview panelist, because interview panelists were some time biased with the English candidate, that they speak in English and they communicate in a very easy language as per the my perspective. That's why I will choose the interview language in the English. So I want to communicate with themselves with a very fluent manner with the some simplest in English word. And these are the most important things what I have done today, and make a significant impact towards the each other. And I am very much happy for whatever I have done, whatever I have will doing, and everything at all. And these are the things which I have mentioned through this video, and what I want to including in this video, my room setup, which I want to show with you guys, that I think this is the memories for me. What I am preparing, where I am preparing, is very much crucial for me also, and to show the someone in front of you. That's why wait for this. I will reverse the phone of my phone, and I will show the videos exactly. So guys, this is the main views, and this is my own preparation journey, which I have mentioned about this preparation of the all of the mathematics formulas and all. And these are my room structure, which I mentioned in this video. While recording this videos, my fans and my one fans are off. Exactly, the one fans is there, and all the rooms are heating with the help of the antennas at all team. And so these are the things which I have mentioned. So these are the things which I have included in this video. If you like my videos, then do the subscribe and like my channel, टिल देन पढ़ते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।